Exploring the floral flavors, hibiscus in recipes. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a delicious and colorful topic: hibiscus in recipes. Hibiscus, a flower known for its vibrant color and tart flavor, has found its way into various cuisines around the world. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just curious about new ingredients, understanding how hibiscus is used in cooking can enrich your culinary vocabulary and experiences. Let's explore the enchanting world of hibiscus together. Hibiscus is a large genus of flowering plants, with several species that are cultivated for their beauty, medicinal properties, and culinary uses. The most commonly used species for cooking and brewing is Hibiscus sabdarifa, also known as Rosselle. This flower is celebrated for its deep red color and tangy flavor, reminiscent of cranberries. Hibiscus is not only a feast for the eyes but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants, making it a popular choice for health-conscious foodies. Around the globe, hibiscus is a versatile ingredient in many culinary traditions. In Mexico, it's the star of agua de Jamaica, a refreshing iced tea that's both tart and sweet. In West Africa, hibiscus flowers are used to make zobo, a spiced beverage that's often enjoyed at celebrations. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, dried hibiscus is brewed into a tea known for its soothing qualities and rich color. Hibiscus can also be found in jams, relishes, and even as an edible decoration on desserts, showcasing its flexibility in both sweet and savory dishes. When it comes to incorporating hibiscus into recipes, the possibilities are endless. Here are a few tips for using hibiscus. Dried hibiscus flowers are most commonly used in cooking. They can be steeped in hot water to make a flavorful tea or syrup, which can then be used in cocktails, desserts, or salad dressings. Hibiscus powder can be sprinkled on dishes for a vibrant color and a tangy taste. For those who enjoy experimenting, hibiscus petals can be used to create a stunning garnish or to add a floral note to dishes. Important: always ensure that the hibiscus you're using is culinary grade, as not all hibiscus flowers are edible or intended for consumption. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of hibiscus in recipes. This beautiful flower is more than just a pretty face. It's a versatile ingredient that can bring a unique taste and color to your cooking. Whether you're making a simple tea or experimenting with bold new dishes, hibiscus is sure to add an exciting twist. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video adventure.